Hello students. Today we will learn how to find perimeter and area of compound shapes or complex figures. Perimeter means we have to add the side lengths of the shape. For example, here we have to add all the side lengths of the shape to find out what is the perimeter of the shape. And area means we have to calculate how much space occupied by this two-dimensional figure. That means I need to find out this, which is already colored here yellow. That is the meaning of area. Now, here in this figure, if you can see, if I have to find the perimeter, I need to find out the missing side lengths. So the missing side lengths are this one and this one. Now, the students, they are making lots of mistakes when they have to find out these missing side lengths. I will tell you a very easy method. And if you will follow that easy method, you will be able to find out the missing side lengths of any particular shape. So when we are trying to find out the vertical side length, so we have to see what all vertical side lengths we have. So here if you can see, we have 11 centimeter. Then if I will see here, we have 3 centimeter. And now we need to find out this one, which is not given to us. So how I can find out? Now till here, it is already given. It is equals to 3. And the total is equals to 11. So if I need to find out what this missing side length equals to, so it would be 11 minus 3, which is equals to 8. That means this missing side length is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we need to find out the horizontal missing side length. So for that, I will draw all the horizontal lines given in the diagram. So they have given us 10 centimeter. Then they have given at the top 6 centimeter. And we need to find out how much is this, which we don't have. So that means 10 minus 6 is equals to 4 centimeter. So this missing side length will be equals to 4 centimeter. Once we will already know all the side lengths of the diagram, we have to add all them together to find out what is the perimeter. So the perimeter for this shape will be equals to 11 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 and plus 10. When you will add all these together, you will get your answer equals to 42 centimeter. So the unit of perimeter is always in terms of meter, centimeter, millimeter. In this shape also, we have some missing side lengths. This one and this one. So to calculate the perimeter of this shape, we need to find out what is the side length of these missing sides. So for that, I told you first we will draw all the vertical lines. So vertical line they have given us 6 centimeter. This vertical line they have given us 7 centimeter. And this vertical line is not given. So if you will see this vertical line and this vertical line, they are equal. That means it will be equals to 6 centimeter. That you can also see from the diagram itself. It is equals to 6 centimeter. Now we need to find out the horizontal line. Horizontal line is given to us, which is equals to 9 centimeter. Then another horizontal line given to us, which is 4 centimeter. This one, we don't know how much is it, but this one we know how much is it, 3 centimeter. That means the total of this one plus this one should be equals to 9 centimeter. That means this missing side length will be equals to how much? 2 centimeter. So we'll write down here 2 centimeter. Similarly, they haven't given us this side length, which is missing, this one. So it is equals to 7 centimeter, because if from here till here it is 7, that means it is also equals to 7 centimeter. Now since we already calculate all the missing side lengths And if we need to find out the perimeter, we have to add all the side lengths. So perimeter of shape is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. While you are writing these side lengths, do not miss any side length, otherwise your answer will be wrong. When you will add all these together, your answer will come equals to 44 centimeter. Now let's take another example to find out the perimeter of the compound shape. Now in this, the missing side lengths are this one, this one, this one. So you can see if this side length is equals to 11 centimeter, this missing side length, this side will also be equals to 11 centimeter. If this side length they have given us equals to 6 centimeter, that means this one also will be equals to 6 centimeter. Now we need to find out this one. So for that, if I will draw the biggest, which is 20 centimeter side length, then they have given us 4 centimeter, then they have given us 3 centimeter, but we don't know how much is this one. So that means 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus this missing side length should be equals to 20 centimeter. That means how much is it? Is it equals to 13 centimeter? That means this one is equals to 13 centimeter. Now, since we already know what is the side lengths of all the sides, we have to find out perimeter. So, we will write down all the numbers of the side lengths. So, 11 plus 4 plus 6 plus 13 plus 6 plus 3 plus 11 plus 20. Always write in the order. Like I started from here 11, 4, 6, 13, 6, 3, 11 and 20. You have to always follow the order. So when we are going to add all these sides together, the perimeter will be equals to 74 centimeter. I can find out the area of this shape by splitting this shape into rectangles or squares. So for example, if I will draw this line, dotted line here, if I will draw another dotted line here, so I have split this diagram into 3 different rectangles. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. Now I have to see that every rectangle should have length and width. So if length and width is missing, we need to find out that missing side length. So if you will see the first rectangle, 7 and 2, it is already given. If I will see the third one, I need this length. So I can find out from the diagram how much is it. If this one is 7 centimeter, this one is also 7 centimeter. That means I already know what is the dimension of this rectangle. I know what is length and width of this rectangle. Now I need to find out for the second one. For the second one, I don't know how much is it. I don't know how much is it. So to find out that, the bigger one is given to us, that is 7. Then this smaller one they have given us, this is 3 centimeter. And we need to find out now this one, which is not given. So that means this plus 3 should be equals to 7. So this missing side length would be 4 centimeters. So this is equals to 4 centimeter. Now I'll go with the horizontal line. So the bigger one is given to us 8 centimeter. The smaller one is given to us 2 centimeter. This one is given to us, which is 3 centimeter. We don't know how much is it in between. We don't know how much is it in between. So that means this 2 plus this side length plus this 3 should be equals to 8. So that means this missing side length is equals to 3 centimeter. So I'll write on here 3 centimeter. Now we have all the length and widths of all the 3 rectangles. So we'll write on here area of rectangle 1 is equals to 7 into 2, which is equals to 14 centimeter square. The unit for the area is always centimeter square, meter square, millimeter square, kilometer square. Okay, so it would be the square of the unit. Then area of rectangle 2. So dimensions we already calculate. What are the dimensions? 4 and 3. So we will multiply 4 with 3, which is equals to 12 centimeter square. Then area of rectangle 3 is equals to, so the dimensions are already given, 7 and 3. 7 is the length, 3 is the width, which is equals to 21 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the total area because we need the area of this compound shape. So that means total area. So we will add all the area together. That means 14 plus 12 plus 21, which is equals to, if you will add all these together, you will get it equals to 47 centimeter square. If I have to split this diagram, I can split it like this also. So this is the first rectangle, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So if I have to find out what is the side length for the first one, so I need to find this one. If I have to find out for the second one, I need this one. So this one I can calculate. If this side is 3 centimeter, this one also will be equals to how much? 3 centimeter. Now, if I need to find out this missing side length, what I'll do, the bigger side is 7 centimeter. I will draw all the vertical lines. This one is 3 centimeter. And this one I need to find. That means this side length plus 3 should be equals to 7. That means this one is equals to how much? 4 centimeter. So we'll find out the area of rectangle 1 is equals to 8 into 4, which is equals to 32 centimeters square. Then area of rectangle 2 is equals to 3 into 2, which is equals to 6 centimeters square. And area of rectangle 3 is equals to 3 into 3, which is equals to 9 centimeters square. So total area is equals to, we will add all these together. 32 plus 6 plus 9, which is equals to 47 centimeters square. So earlier also we got 47 centimeters square and now also we are getting 47 centimeters square. So answer will not change. But the way you split the figure, you have to calculate your answer accordingly. So this is how we can calculate the area of a compound shape. I will take few other examples for your better understanding. In this diagram, if I have to split it, I can split it like this. So for that, this is rectangle 1, this is rectangle 2, and this is rectangle 3. So the dimensions are already given. For rectangle 3, 2 and 16. For rectangle 1, 3 and 8. I need to find out for rectangle 2. So for that, I need this side length and I need this side length. So to calculate the vertical one, first I will draw 2 centimeter. This one we don't know. This one we know, which is equals to 8 centimeter. And this bigger one is given, which is equals to 14 centimeter. That means 8 plus 2 plus this missing side length should be equals to 14. So 8 plus 2, 10, and 10 plus 4 is 14. That means this side length is equals to 4 centimeter. Similarly, I'll draw the horizontal one. This is 16 centimeter given to us. This is 7 centimeter given to us. This we don't know how much is it. And this one is given, which is equals to 3 centimeter. Now, this missing side length will be equals to 7 plus 3, 10, and 10 plus 6 equals to 16 centimeters. So that means this is given to us how much? 6 centimeter. Now this is 6, and if you will see this one, how much is it? This is 3 centimeter. So we need this total. That means 6 plus 3 is equals to 9 centimeter. So that is the dimension for your second rectangle. So we will write down here area of rectangle 1 is equals to 8 into 3, 24 centimeters square. Area of rectangle 2 is equals to 4 into 9, 36 centimeters square. Area of rectangle 3 is equals to 2 into 16, which is equals to 32 centimeters square. Total area is equals to 24 plus 36 plus 32. If you will add all these together, you will get it equals to 92 centimeter square. So that is the area of this particular shape. Now I can do this in other way around. So I can split this like this, I can split like this, and now this is the first rectangle, this is the second rectangle, and this is the third rectangle. So I already have the dimension of first rectangle 14 and 3. For the third one also I'm having 7 and 2, and for the second one I need to calculate. So for that, what I'll do, I will find out first this one. This one I already know how much is it, 2 centimeter, and now I need to find out this one. So to find out this one, what I'll do, I will make the bigger one 16 centimeter. This one is 7 centimeter. This one we don't know, and this one is 3 centimeter. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 6 would be equals to 16 centimeters. So that means this is equals to 6 centimeters. Similarly, if I will draw, this is 2 centimeter, this one we don't know, and this one is 8 centimeter. And this bigger one is given to us, which is 14 centimeter. So 2 plus 8, 10, and 10 plus 4 is equals to 4 centimeter. That means this one is 4 centimeter, but I need this bigger one. So this bigger one is equals to how much? 4 plus 2, that is 6 centimeter. Now I already have the dimensions for the second rectangle. So I'll write on here area of rectangle 1 is equals to 14 into 3, which is equals to 42 centimeters square. Area of rectangle 2 is equals to 6 into 6, which is equals to 36 centimeters square. Area of rectangle 3 is equals to 7 into 2, which is equals to 14 centimeters square. Total area is equals to 42 plus 36 plus 14, which is equals to, if you will add all these together, your answer will be again 92 centimeter square. Let's take the last example to find out the area of a compound shape. I will do it only with the one method. Other method you can practice yourself. Okay. So if I will split this diagram, I'll split it like this, where the dimension for this one is already given to me. If this one is 16, that means this one also will be equals to 16 centimeter. So I already know how much is it. So that is first rectangle, this is second one, and this is third one. So I need to find out the missing side length for the second one. So if it is 2, that means this one also is equals to 2, right? So we already know this one. Now we need to find out how much is it. For that, I will draw this one, 14 centimeter. This one is given to me 5 centimeter. This one is given to me 5 centimeter. Now I don't know how much is this one. That means 5 plus 5 plus this side length should be equals to 14. 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 plus 4 will be equals to 14. That means this one is equals to how much? 4 centimeter. So we'll find out area of rectangle 1 is equals to 16 into 5, which is equals to 80 centimeters square. Area of rectangle 2 is equals to 4 into 2, which is equals to 8 centimeters square. Then area of rectangle 3 is equals to 5 into 16, which is again equals to 80 centimeters square. Total area is equals to 80 plus 8 plus 80, which is equals to 168 centimeter square. So that is the area of this compound shape. Now, if I will split this diagram into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rectangles. So, will you get your answer equals to 168 centimeters square? Just try to practice it. Okay. If you will get the right answer, that means you understood this video very well.